An exciting, ever fascinating world of chemistry. We're looking at electrochemistry today and looking at something called half reaction. Before we do that, let's look at this reaction. Try it on your own. We'll do this together to start a class. This oxidation reduction reaction is a little complicated, but I think they're fun. We are going to look at something today called half reactions. Half reactions are defined as means of balancing oxidation reaction by only dealing with those substances that take part in the active part of the reactions. We're going to remove something called the spectator ions, and we're going to generate something called the net ionic equation. Now, we sort of did that when we talked about acid, base, and weak acids for the titration, but let's make sure we understand a little better. Let's say I take silver nitrate and sodium chloride. First thing I want to do is associate them. So silver nitrate gives me silver plus nitrate, and sodium chloride gives me sodium ion chloride. They all dissolve in solutions. Now, when they come together, silver chloride is an insoluble salt, and it falls out of solution as a solid, but the sodium ion and the nitrate ion just remain. So what we do is get rid of the spectator ions, the ones that do not involve themselves in reactions. So we get rid of the sodium ion and the nitrate ion, and we're left with Ag plus Cl minus gives me AgCl. That's a net ionic equation. Now, to do half reactions, this process we're going to go through, divide the reaction in two halves. Balance non-hydrogen oxygens, balance oxygens by adding water, hydrogens by adding hydrogen ion. Balance electrons, add the reactions, subtract the substances as possible. I'm not going to go through and show this. I'll do them in class. It's just a lot more complicated, and I might lose you in the explanation. So if you're not in class, go back and watch the video of the lesson I do with class. Here's a couple examples we're going to have. All right. So permanganate, MnO4 minus, plus percarbonate, C2O42 minus, generates manganese 2 plus ion and carbon dioxide. Another example, dichromate, Cr2O72 minus, plus chloride ion, generates chromium 3 plus ion plus chlorine. Now, one more situation. If it's a basic solution, replace hydrogen with water and then hydroxide. We'll do this in class as well. That's it. Take care. Be good. Hopefully that wasn't too bad.